welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Korean spicy chicken. Korean food is very popular here in Japan, and this spicy chicken is my favorite. The sweet and spicy sauce is very addictive. Let's get started. These are what you need. 2 chicken breasts, some salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons sake, 4 tablespoons potato starch or cornstarch. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons each of ketchup, gochujang, Korean spicy paste, mirin, 1 tablespoon each of sugar, soy sauce, sake, some garlic paste or grated garlic, sesame seeds. And this is totally optional, but if you like, some green onion and chili strips to garnish. I'm cutting the green onion first. Bottom off, cut them in half, put them together, and let's slice it diagonally. Like this. Put it in a small bowl and put it aside. Chicken breast. Let's remove the skin. Trim fat. And angle your knife, not like this. Keep it like this and shave to cut. And let's cut them in half. Little bit of salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons sake, rub it in, and leave this for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. 2 tablespoons ketchup, 2 tablespoons gochujang, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sake, little bit of garlic paste. Let's give it a quick mix. And the sauce is ready. It's smelling so good already. Back to chicken. Let's add potato starch. Mix it. And let's cook this in the frying pan. Heat up generous amount of vegetable oil. Today I have like 5 tablespoons of oil. And let's put the chicken. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip them over and cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. The heat is medium to medium high. I cooked it for 4 minutes, so let's flip them over. And because of the starch, they are sticking together. So separate them as you flip them over. Cook the other side for another 3-4 minutes. Nice color all over the chicken. When you tilt the frying pan like this, you can see there is some oil. So let's remove the oil using kitchen paper so that your spicy chicken is not too greasy. Okay, let's add the sauce and the sesame seeds. Give it a nice mix. So the chicken is all coated with the sauce. Looks good. Let's turn the heat off and serve. Green onion I slice at the beginning. Chili strips. and Korean spicy chicken is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!